Okay, so everybody knows how I do stuff. I do it according to how I feel and what I've got going on. Today I spent most of the day cutting out the ribs for the galley lid. I don't want to do anything noisy right now, so do something quiet. And you're going to be, when you measure for the styrofoam, remember the top. It's going to be a little wider than it is at the bottom, between here and here, because they aren't horizontally opposed. They're kind of tilted out like this. So be sure to measure at your lowest point here. And up here where it becomes flat, it's not a big deal because now your loose joists aren't like this, they're more like that. So I've already cut this to the width of the trailer, which is 58 and something. Anyway, whatever it is. I'm tired. I'm just going to cut a couple pieces. We'll get a shower and 7 1/4 inches. I'll set that right there on 7 1/4 inches on my tape measure. And what I'll do is I'll just take this and I'll just drag it across like this. So you can see that little bump right there is sitting right up against here like this. And I'm holding this piece right here and scratching it, which leaves a nice mark for you to, I guess that's good stuff. Now it's not for getting ready to put your edge down. Can you see that line? Got a little dust on it. I have to stand off to this side because I am right-handed. Okay, whenever I cut this, I don't hold it straight out. I hold it at an angle. For some reason, it works really well for me. I don't seem to get off my line. And seem to cover out that line. You can use a big old straight edge if you want to. But it's really not necessary unless you're not really good with a knife. I'm using my pocket knife to do this. But I won't. Alright, so this piece should fit. Should drop right in here like this. Okay. Now what we're going to have to do is go back and maybe cut like a 45 off the corners. Maybe not quite a whole 45, but just a little bit off the corners so it'll sit down in there. Knock that off there. There you go. Alright, just like they say in the shampoo, rinse and repeat all the way across. Thanks for watching. You guys keep an eye out because there are going to be more videos until I finish this whole thing. Some of them will be short videos and some will be long videos. And some will be not interesting to you, but others will be.